When siblings inherit a house together, it can sometimes cause some issues. So attorney Jim Higgins with the Higgins Firm recently stopped by to explain some options that might be able to help. All right, this is one of those things that unfortunately can cause some drama. So how often does this happen? What do you see?
It happens more than you think, and it happens in different ways. You know, a lot of times people come to us early, maybe when their parent didn't have a will, or they have a will and they just blanket leave a house to 2 or 3 kids, and they just can't agree on what to do with it. One may want to sell it, one may not. You know, you got it mortgaged to pay for all that. You know, and also sometimes they come in early. Sometimes we'll have people that will come in years after they've this house has been passed down, and somebody's just been living with it, and everybody's been cool with it, and then they quit paying the mortgage or something like that, and that creates a problem. So it happens a lot. It's something that, you know, when a parent or a grandparent leaves their kids real estate, obviously they're doing it because they love them. It's something they worked hard for and they want them to have, but
it can get tricky.
It can get tricky. It can create hard feelings, and it's hard to see.
So what are the options that these children will have typically?
Sure. So what happens is people will call our office, and that will be it. My sister and I, my brother and I inherited a house. He wants it. I don't want it. We want to sell it. So they have a few options. One, work it out. Whatever you guys can work out, we can set up the documents to do it. If you want to buy your sibling out and keep the house, we can get it appraised. They can come up with a fair price. We can do it. You can sell the home, split the money. That's very easy. And, you know, the expenses of the house during that time of selling, you just pay those back to it.
I think my dad did that.
Yeah, and that's very common. That's what a lot of folks do. We had done that in our family one time. And then the last one, which sometimes is fortunate, but we have to do it sometimes, is when they just cannot get along. We file what we call a suit for partition. And we tell the court, hey, we own half this house, a third of this house. We can't own it with our siblings. We want you to order it sold. And the court will do that. So those are usually your options. Okay.
Now we are almost out of time, but I want to ask you real quickly. So is there any way to prevent these types of issues on the front end, right?
Absolutely, absolutely.
Really?
And, you know, that's what we talk about when estate planning. You call our office, or a group that has an estate plan like us. We'll draft a will. The biggest thing we always tell folks is communication. Talk to your kids about it. Say, hey, this is what I'm going to do with the house. Are you good with that? I want to give it to this one, or I want y'all to split it. I want you to sell it. And if everybody's on board early, you're usually okay.
Yeah, it definitely creates peace later.
Yes.
Definitely. Jim, thanks so much. Good info. The Higgins Firm is serving Tennessee. Give them a call. The number is 1-800-705-2121. You can also get more info on their website. Just go to thehigginsfirm.com.